Welcome, my name is Justin Rivers, and I am here today on invitation from Save Ellis Island, and we have a really great treat for you on this virtual tour. $4.5 million people visit Ellis Island a year, and what a lot of them don't know is right on Islands 2 and 3 are a hospital complex that so many people don't have access to. As we go into the Contagious Infectious Disease Hospital, we are going to have access to rooms that even the hard hat tours won't get. So join me and get this behind the scenes look at the building that has so many stories to tell and so many spaces to reveal. So come with me.